All right, today on the Porsche, we have this beautiful red 911 GTS Targa. This is getting a full tint removal and full front PPF removal.
Came in with full tint, but the customer was not too happy with the quality and the percentages, so we're going to go ahead and slap our ceramic 25% on the front windows and our ceramic 35% on the rear windows.
As you can see, this is the old film that was on the front of this car. It's old, dirty, we're getting rid of that. Just to put new fresh film on the entire body of this thing, front to back, top to bottom, and then on top of the film, we're gonna end up ceramic coating the whole thing to make it super easy to clean and make the film last even longer.